In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in HubSpot using the native Invoices tool, available for free on all plans. Creating an invoice through HubSpot can streamline your business operations, so let's guide you through this process step by step. First things first, before you start issuing invoices, it's important to ensure that your HubSpot system is set up correctly. To begin this one-time setup, head over to HubSpot and navigate to Commerce, then into Invoices, and find the Settings tab. This is where you'll manage who in your organization can have access to the invoice creation feature. Only users who have been granted Invoices permission will be able to create and edit invoices, so make sure you assign permissions appropriately. Brand consistency is vital for maintaining a professional image, so confirm that your branding, including your logo and color scheme, is pulled from your brand kit. This step guarantees that every drafted invoice carries your brand's thematic elements. Next up, you'll set up your invoice numbering. This involves customizing the prefix, which is set to INV by default, and deciding on a starting number. This customization helps with organization and, importantly, tracking your invoices. Additionally, if you plan on accepting online payments, you'll need to connect your payment system. For users in the US, UK, or Canada with a paid plan, HubSpot payments can be integrated. Otherwise, Stripe is a fantastic global option for online transactions. Lastly, don't forget to link your domain. This ensures that invoices are hosted under your branded URL, reinforcing your business identity and providing recipients with a seamless experience. Once your setup is complete, creating an invoice can be done manually in a couple of methods. You can start from the Invoices dashboard by navigating back to Commerce and selecting Invoices, then click on Create Invoice. Alternatively, if you're working within a contact company or deal record, simply open the record and look for the Invoices section in the right sidebar. Click on Add, then proceed to Create Invoice. When working from a deal that has line items, you can choose to Convert Deal to Invoice, and this will auto-populate those line items, which saves you a bit of time and ensures consistency. You can also opt to create a blank invoice manually if you prefer starting from scratch. When the invoice draft opens, there are several details you'll need to fill out. Select the contact or company you're billing, input the line items, and set the currency, invoice date, and due date. If necessary, enter any purchase order numbers. Don't forget to specify the payment method and consider including additional information such as taxes or discounts if applicable. Initially, set your invoice status to draft. Once you've reviewed and confirmed all the details are accurate, the final step is to change the invoice status to open. This enables the invoice to be shared with the client and opens it up for payment processing. That wraps up the walkthrough on creating invoices in HubSpot. With this process, you can easily generate professional invoices that suit your business needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.